Friday, everyone. Justin Cody Warden, Director of Business Development with Austin American Technology, and I'm here live, virtual from IPC Apex 2021. I got the President and COO, Todd Roundtree, and of course, we couldn't have done it without the founder of Austin American Technology. Steve, how are you doing today?
Great.
Good. Well, Steve didn't even know we're doing this. He's actually just stopping in to see how our virtual Apex is going, and fortunately for us, we have a drawing to do. So Todd, I'm not sure if you remember, but back on Monday when we first did this, what did we promise to give away for?
I think we were going to give away a Garmin smartwatch.
The Garmin smartwatch, yeah. Well, we have to do it because I posted all about it. And fortunately for us, this was a gimmick to get people to come in and see what Austin American Technology and see this amazing demo room that we are presenting Apex 2021. So we had a lot of people, as you can see. We got a lot of names here in this hat. And we appreciate everyone for interacting with Austin American Technology. So, Todd, you think it's time to do a drawing?
I think so, yeah. Let's give this thing away.
Who should we give the honors to?
Well, we can let Steve pull it.
All right, Steve, go ahead and pull the name for us.
All right, I've got the hat on, I'm not pulling it out of the hat.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. I'll let you do it.
All right, we got a Mr. Edgar Bertrand, the manufacturing engineer for Lockheed Martin. Edgar, congratulations. We'll reach out to you via email. We appreciate you checking out Austin American Technology. We'll get everything you need, and we'll get you that brand new Garmin smartwatch very shortly.